thinking of leaving Amazon for Walmart, avoid these 5 costly mistakes first. And number 1 is not starting with WFS. So you can see this client sales that we manage on Walmart, huge spike in December, holiday season, $168,000 on Walmart. Yes, you can make a significant amount of money on Walmart. But when we first started managing them, they were shipping the items themselves. So the customer ordered, got the order, shipped it to the customer. Walmart randomly suspended them because the shipment was late one day and it was just terrible. So what you want to do is make sure you convert all of your listings to WFS when you first start on Walmart. If not, you're going to have a very hard time. Walmart's going to randomly suspend you. You'll get back on, and then you'll be like, I'm never going to ship again, because Walmart is not fun to ship for. You can see, you can just go into Walmart. There's a WFS panel, and it helps you improve your listings as well. And then when you are shipping via WFS, you do get a pro seller badge. So there's different badges. If you are using WFS and you're good at customer service, right, responding on time within 24 to 48 hours, you'll get a pro seller badge. They're going to give you all this credit. You'll get access to capital, a special little pro seller badge on your Walmart listings, advertising credit, 25% off shipping with Walmart. You'll also be eligible for faster payout and discounts on listings. So there's a lot of benefits for starting with WFS. So definitely start with that. I warned you ahead of time. And then number 2 is going to be price. So your price must be the same or cheaper than Amazon's price. So if you're selling Pokemon cards, whatever you're selling, Walmart has this algorithm where it tracks your item, and they will find your item on Amazon if Amazon has it. So if you're selling these Pokemon cards right here, and you can double check and see what is the price that they're selling for on Walmart, and it's $90. And if they're selling it for $89.99 on Amazon, Walmart will purposely hide your listing, and you'll kind of get dinged for that. Dinged as in hiding your listing quality score will go down on Walmart. So make sure you understand that Walmart is using AI to check Amazon constantly to make sure your price is the same or better than Amazon's price. If it's the same price, that's fine, but just keep that in mind. You can also dispute it with Walmart, but that's going to be one of the big things that a lot of Walmart sellers don't know. If they're selling and they're like, why am I not generating any sales? You'll notice that Walmart's tracking Amazon's price, and if yours is higher, that's going to be another thing. Number 3 is thinking the platform isn't new, right? So this platform is new, and the thing about new platforms is there's a lot of errors, right? So you'll go on, you'll start making lots of money, and then all of a sudden, Walmart just randomly passes a policy and kicks off all of your listings. It's like the beginning days of Amazon when you're selling supplements or beauty items and you randomly get kicked off and Amazon doesn't tell you. That's what happened with Walmart, and it happens on a regular basis. So you need to be prepared for those things to happen. You can see randomly there's an error that says your item is in stage status until you go live, which makes no sense. It's not even like a real error. And Walmart just randomly picks listings and decides what's wrong and what's right. So it is a new platform. There's tons of counterfeits that lead to lawsuits against Walmart. And then Walmart's kind of ramping up the AI juice and just randomly shutting down listings with their AI. It happens. Be aware of it. Also, let's look at this. We regret to inform you that Walmart recently made a business decision conveyed through email and banners in Seller Center. So pretty much what's happening is at times Walmart just makes a business decision to shut down your listing forever. Now, you can always get your listings back. You just need to find the right rep that's going to help you. But a lot of the time, it's just a little bit annoying. And then Walmart randomly suspending sellers. So just be aware of that. I did a video, Walmart mass suspension. Tons of people were deactivated. And again, that's because of the counterfeits led to lawsuits against Walmart. Walmart got all uptight, cranked up the AI juice. AI came in and just started suspending and terminating accounts as well as listings. So it is a new platform. Be aware of that. There's going to be hiccups. Number 4 is going to be thinking the algorithm is similar to Amazon's. So Walmart's algorithm is completely different than Amazon's. It's not the same. You're not going to be keyword stuffing. But the thing about Walmart's algorithm is they have a tool. It's called the listing quality dashboard. You can see it right here. It literally tells you how your algorithm is doing, how your listings are doing compared to Walmart's algorithm. It's just like taking a test. They'll give you a grade. And if you have a 90%, that's considered pretty good. Anything below 80% is probably pretty bad. And if you can get all of your listings to that 90% score, you're going to be in this green area. And you can see right here, the poor listings have 0 sales. The good listings have $2,000 a month in sales. And the green listings, it's cut off, but it's got $12,000 a month. And you can see, they'll actually show you the listings and they'll give you a score. You can see this is excellent. We got a 90. It's like a grade on a test, 92%. And they'll tell you step by step what you need to do to improve your listing to make sure it aligns with Walmart's algorithm. So that's a great part. It is completely different than Amazon's algorithm, but at least Walmart has a dashboard that shows you what you need to do to make sure your listings align with their algorithm, helping you get to the first page. Number 5 is going to be thinking Walmart won't compete against you or even kick you off. So Walmart's ads aren't as mature as Amazon. Depending on your category, Walmart will compete against you and win every time for free. So if you're selling your own special toothpaste and you type in toothpaste and you're running ads, you're going to notice that Walmart appears first, right? And it depends on the product you're selling, but an example is Walmart's going to just like win every single time. And if you attempt to outcompete Walmart, somebody might get mad and kick you off of the platform. That's just how it is right now. It's like the beginning days of Amazon, when Amazon used to compete with competitors. Now Amazon's so big, they're like not really competing anymore. But Walmart is in competition mode. So what they're doing is they're running ads on their own products that Walmart owns, like Colgate, right? And they are pretty much getting ad spend for free. And they're just showing up on page number 1 before you are, like completely for free. So on certain items, it is difficult to compete. So just understand that. And if you're attempting to outcompete Walmart directly, think something else, right? But if you're selling like something else, like a DIY kit or something that's not like a huge name brand that Walmart like specifically sells and makes tons of money off of, then you're going to be just fine, right? So those are the 5 mistakes that you just need to look at and the 5 things you need to think about before you start launching on Walmart. And again, the most important is just realizing it's a new platform. When you get started, I highly recommend starting on WFS. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, increase sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.